How to fix Gmail notifications not showing on Android. So if you want to fix your Gmail notifications not showing on your Android, then the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have not turned on your low power mode. Once you turn off your low power mode, now you need to open up your mail. Once you're on your mail, you need to go with the upper left, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And from here, you need to scroll down and go with settings. Under settings, you can tap on general settings. From the general settings here, you will have manage notifications, and make sure that your notifications are turned on. You have allowed all of the notifications. After allowing your notifications, your problem will be fixed. You need to go with show notifications for all of the mails that you have right here. And after turning on your notifications, you can go back, restart your device, and that's it. You'll receive all of your notifications. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.